Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at the present perfect with the words been and gone. For example, he's gone to London. He's gone to London. He has, he's gone to London. Is he here? No. He's in London. He's gone to London. He's been to London. He's been to London. He has been, gone to London and come back again. He's been to London. She's gone to the shops. Where is she? Not here. At the shops. She's gone to the shops. She's been to the shops. Gone to the shops, bought some food, come back. She's been to the shops. English grammar? Been and gone? Easy peasy. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.